minutes, Paul and I are going to be talking about all of the events for you to be at from October till December here in the UK.
Now, of course, we'll be at EMO in September, but after that, from October, it's an unprecedented time within the industry.
Yeah, machines, software and tooling. So, Matsuura.
The first one, October the 2nd and the 3rd and the 16th and the 17th. Now, you'll remember from May this year, they did that. They split the event into 2 different weeks. They had a lot of people through the doors. The thing is with Matsuura, most machine tools will operate at sort of 40 to 50% efficiency. Matsuura are looking to get you up to 99% uptime. Keep that spindle turning. Multi-pallet, single pallet machines will all be there. I think there might even be a new launch machine there as well. We'll find out more. But there's also additive manufacturing with HP.
ETG.
ETG, this event is happening on the 2nd and the 3rd of October. Discover turnkey excellence. If you want to take the headache out of the production engineering, that's what this is about. This is about, bringing all aspects of a machine tool solution together, the cutting tool, the work holding, the CAD CAM, to give you a better solution. Chiron,
we did a video on Chiron, over 77,000 views. Popular.
Yeah, and I mean, there'll be Chiron there, Nakamura, Quasar, Hardinge, Bridgeport, Barvius, the first time in the UK. I can't stress enough that each machine will have a turnkey element to it. We'll be there doing something incredibly special.
And don't forget, these are all in order from October up until December. So quick grinds next?
Yeah, quick grind. Now, at the moment, what we're hearing within the industry, it's all about, this is called barreling your way into the future. Barrel tools enable manufacturers to cut cycle times by up to or over 60%. Now, this event is focusing on that, but it's bringing all aspects together, for example, not just the tooling, but obviously the CAD CAM element. All of those
Hexagon. We've got to move on. Hexagon,
so Hexagon,
Live.
You want to go to this event.
I want to go to this one. It looks super fun.
Hexagon Live, October the 1st and 2nd. They're bringing this to the UK now. Industry leaders will be speaking. There'll be keynote speakers talking about, as it says here, automation, autonomous mobility, smart factories and future skills. Wow. This is where you learn within the industry. Go into events like this, and there's a casino in the evening as well.
I'm there. We're there.
So
we're going.
Birmingham. Go on their website to find out more. Yep. Star GB. This, what can we say? This is about educating. Star lathes have moved on so much in recent years. They're pushing the boundaries of their capabilities to cut parts faster, but not just the traditional type of part that you would expect, like a long turn component. No, now we're looking at prismatic components. Change the way you think. You can learn so much here at Star GB.
You can.
And that's really what this event is about, how adaptable and versatile these machines are now and what they can give you in changing your mindset.
Mill CNC.
Mill CNC, yes. I mean, this is an event. They haven't had an event for a couple of years at Mills, but they've had a refurbishment there. This is called Another Giant Leap. Wow, Doosan. I mean, machines, innovation. They'll be showcasing 15 machines here at the event, but also industrial robot solutions as well. Right. There'll be the first showing of the TT1300 SSY double Y-axis twin spindle machine and the 2100 SSY, as well as the D&M 6700 extra large machine with a 2.1 X-axis.
DMG Murray.
Technology days. These are really good because they focus on key areas of industry. So, for example, gear cutting. They'll take all of these sort of smaller areas and really hone in on them.
They're there to educate.
They are. But in addition to that, of course, you've got the machines. You've been there. What a fantastic showroom.
Yeah, it is a great facility.
They have their apprentice day on the Friday as well, where they invite apprentices to the apprentice day is on the Friday the 18th, where they invite the apprentices to come on
Digitisation, Industry 4.0, it's all going forward.
They're our future. So that is going to be a good event as well. Moving on to the next one, which is actually ISKAR. Now, the ISKAR event is happening. We're going to be doing something incredibly special there too. We're going to be doing filming live at this event. Now, this is actually
live.
Yeah, we are going to be live at this event. This is on the 16th and the 17th of October. We're going to do something a little bit different. You need to be watching our channels on those days. But again, this will be about technology and the collaboration between the cutting tool and the machine tool to get the best metal removal for all kinds of industries and all aspects of machining.
So if we're there live, and when you're watching it, you're there with us as well. So still going to go along.
There are aspects of that event that we really will be portraying in a great way. And pretty much the same with Fanuc, Lyndsey. You've been here. We were there when this place opened. I think it was 2016 or 2017. They are holding this automation and digitisation event 29th, 30th and 31st of October. Now this is all about not just the machine tools, but it's about the machine tending, it's about pick and place, it's about palletisation, so it's for the whole of UK manufacturing.
We're talking so much about automation now. You've got to kind of get up to date and be educated on it.
And it's fully integrating it all, by using one supply. And if you haven't been here to Coventry, when we went, there was hundreds of people that attended the opening day.
When we went, it was fairly empty, and now it's fairly full, and it's huge.
Next one, I've got to move you on now.
Yeah.
Romy Open House.
Yeah.
Following the success when you were there a few weeks ago, they had an open house. They're having another one in November. Now this open house again will demonstrate their metal cutting machines, Brazilian machines, one of the world leaders in manufacturing of machine tools.
And they have the machines on site as
and
well.
And they do in Rome. Yeah. It's an untouched secret, and one of the country's best kept secret is this machine tool company. They've got a lot of machines available from stock there, but it's also injection moulding, and this is a big part of their business. We're moving on again. Herco. Herco always have a Christmas open house. If you want to get a deal on a machine before the end of the year, then this is the place to be. But it's also an incredibly busy show here. They have a lot of partners, they have a lot of machines in a fairly small area, or they did, because now they've moved and it's a much bigger showroom. And I'm thinking they may even have a bit of an open day before this with their new showroom, but the Herco Open House is a fixture in our calendar in December.
Mazak.
Now we opened this talking about EMO. EMO Encore, the Mazak UK's EMO Encore event will happen in December as well. It'll be the first week in December. All of the innovation that is seen at EMO, which we will see and preview, will be coming here to the UK and can be seen in Worcester as well. They do it biannually, and it really is a great event. If you can't make it to EMO, I mean, it's in Germany, I know we'll be there, but we understand you're making components, so you may not be able to make it. You can go to Mazak EMO Encore and see
Worcester,
the latest.
It's Midlands based, it's great accessibility.
Laser cutting technology, 5-axis.
We recommend you go to as many of these events as possible because they're a great educational facility for you.
How else do you learn? You need to get out there and touch and feel the solutions. Of course.
How do we get to go there?
Well, they're all registered on the MTD website. They're all on the MTD website. There'll be previews to all of these events coming in September. So we'll be able to whet your appetite to in more than probably 6 minutes as to what you can see at the events.
We're going to be exhausted. It's going to be busy.
The last quarter of this year, October, is looking exceptionally busy. November and December as well. I'm sure there's a few more shows that will crop up between now and then, but just to give you a bit of a flavour as to what we'll be up to after EMO.
But first of all, have you got your passport?
No. Where is it?
You need to. He doesn't like flying. Let's head to EMO.